Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send bulk emails in Zoho CRM. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the module where your recipients are stored, such as contacts, leads, or a custom module. Once inside, filter your records to narrow down the exact audience you want to reach. You can use filters like industry, location, or simply apply a saved list view that already contains your target contacts. After filtering, select the records you want to include in your bulk email. Carefully review the list to make sure you only include the intended recipients. Next, click the Actions button and choose Mass Email, then select Create Mass Email. In the email creation screen, confirm the To field is correctly populated. Then, choose an email template. Zoho CRM lets you use pre-built templates, making your communication faster and more consistent. For the From field, decide whether to send from your personal email or from an organization-wide address. Finally, choose between Send Now or Schedule Later. Once everything is ready, hit Send. So that's basically how you can send bulk emails in Zoho CRM. That's it for this video. Thanks.